Good morning everyone, this is Parveen. Today we are on the third session of class 8 geography chapter 4 mineral resources. In our first and second session we have seen that what is minerals. Minerals are something which we can dig out from the earth's surface. Okay, and those minerals are very essential, and those minerals are having different features, like they have different physical and chemical properties through which we can differentiate between them. They are on the different colors, different lustrures they have. Okay, and then we have also seen that there are two types of minerals, that is metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals are those who contain metals, and non-metallic minerals are those who does not contain metals in their properties, in their chemical and physical properties. Metallic minerals we have seen that are of two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. In last two sessions we have seen minerals, features of minerals and two types of minerals. Now in today's session we are going to see that how we can extract minerals from different areas of the land, how we can extract minerals from the oceans, how we can extract minerals from the seas, and how we can extract minerals from the earth's surface. There are different processes, or you can say there are different procedures, or there are different methods through which we can extract minerals from the environment. Now these process or these procedures or methods can be divided into three. First one through which we can extract minerals is mining. Okay, mostly mining is used to extract minerals from the surface of the earth. Now when we talk about the mining, it is a method through which we can take out the mineral from rocks buried under the earth's surface. Under the earth's surface there are certain rock minerals which is buried under the earth's surface. To take out those minerals, mining has been used. Okay, now when we are doing a mining, actually whatever minerals are there in the earth's surface or near to the earth's surface or far away from the earth's surface, we can use mining to extract those minerals, extract those minerals which is having a rocky physical and chemical properties they have. Okay, so the rock minerals which we have under the surface of the earth, if we wanted to extract them, we used mining. So mining is a process through which we can take out the minerals from rock buried under the earth's surface. We need to mine those rocks, and under those rocks we have minerals which is buried under the rocks, and we can dig out those minerals by using mining method. Now when we talk about mining method can be of two different types, that is open cast mining and shaft mining. Now what is open cast mining? When minerals located very close to earth's surface, that means if they are not deep down in the earth's surface, when there is a rocky land and minerals are not deep down in the earth's surface, but it is located very close to the earth's surface, then we can use open cast mining. Okay, in open cast mining, the layer of that particular surface of the earth has been removed so that the minerals can be dug out, so the minerals can be extracted, because those minerals are located very near to the earth's surface. That is why the layers of the surface of the earth has been removed to dig out that or to extract those minerals, which is called as open cast mining. Second one is shaft mining. What is shaft mining? Shaft mining means deep bores or deep tunnels have been made, because the minerals which are deep down in the earth's surface, to dig out those minerals, to extract those minerals, that shaft mining is used, in which tunnels and deep bores have been made, and by using those deep bores and tunnels, minerals have been extracted from them. So first one is mining, and under mining we have two methods, that is open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining is used to dig out minerals which is near to the surface of the earth, and shaft mining, deep bores and tunnels have been made to dig out the minerals which is deep down in the surface of the earth. Now moving on further, second method through which we can extract the mineral is drilling. Okay, drilling is a method we use to dig out or to extract minerals which is there in the deep down in the oceans, seas and land. Okay, deep wells are bored or deep wells are made to extract minerals from oceans, seas and land. For example, extracting oil and petroleum, extracting natural gas. These are the minerals which can be extracted through drilling by making deep wells underground, deep wells in the oceans and seas. You can see that there was Sagar Samrat. Okay, there was one ship which is called as Sagar Samrat. That Sagar Samrat was built in the ocean to dig out the oil and petroleum from the ocean and to dig out the natural gases from the land and all. So over here you can say that when we talk about drilling, drilling can be used, or drilling is a method in which deep bores or deep wells have been made to dig out the minerals which is there in the deep down on the earth's surface or on the oceans and on the seas. Okay. Next one, third method is quarrying. What is quarrying? Quarrying is a method which is used to extract minerals which is very nearby to the earth's surface. That means there is no need of removing the layer of the earth. There is no need of making a deep bores and deep wells or deep tunnels, but they are very near to the earth's surface. They are on the earth's surface. So we need to just we can say it is a process through which we can refine it. Okay, we can take the soil from the earth and we can refine it, and from that soil only we can extract the minerals through the method of quarrying. So there are three methods in this session. We have seen that there are three methods of extracting minerals from earth's surface, from oceans and from seas, and these three methods are mining. Under mining we have open cast mining and shaft mining. Then we have drilling, and lastly we have quarrying. So I hope you have understood these three methods of extracting minerals from the environment. Next session you are going to see the conservation and utilization of mineral resources. Till then, thank you.